Hi everyone. So today we will learn how to open terminal in Visual Studio Code. To open a terminal, generally there are two options. Let me show you the first option. So to open a terminal, you can simply go to View and here click on this terminal, and there is a shortcut also, Control plus backtick. You can use the shortcut or simply click here like this. That's the one way. Let me hide it. Now let me show you the second option. Simply go to View, Command Palette. You can also press Ctrl Shift plus P to open the command palette. Just click here and here type toggle terminal. Click on it and you will get the terminal like this. So these are the two options to open the terminal in Visual Studio Code. In case you want to open an additional terminal, let me show you how you can do so. Let me type something here. Let's make it terminal 1. To open an additional terminal, you can simply go to these three dots, click, and you will find terminal, new terminal. The shortcut also Control Shift plus backtick. So now you will have two terminals and you can easily switch. Let me type here terminal 2. So you can switch like this. You can also create a new terminal by going to command palette and typing here create new terminal. Click on this. So now you have the third one. Let's make it terminal 3. So now we have three terminals here. And yeah, I can easily switch like this. In case if I want to close a terminal, I can simply click on this delete icon to kill it, or you can say to terminate it like this. So I hope you understood how to open and close the terminal in Visual Studio Code. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.